balloon, get a balloon, get a balloon!
Missed it.
Damn it.
Is he on the zigzags? On the wrong side of the road, Alexi?
Yes, he is.
With his hazard lights on?
Yes, he is.
What is he?
Twat.
Ah, that.
What?
Do you swear? We're doing
Twat's
it.
not a swear word.
We're doing a non-swearing day today.
Yeah, but twat's not a swear word. You just missed that.
If I just missed that, he went through the red one.
Yeah.
Yes. He easily could have stopped. I would have. If I would have slammed my brakes on then, he would have probably gone into the back of me.
Yeah.
But no, he should have stopped.
Red light.
You good, girl? I think he tried to stop, or he thought about it, didn't he? The brake lights come on, didn't they? And he's like, nah, bollocks to it. I'm going for it. You're on it today, aren't you?
It's because I've had 2 cups of coffee this morning.
I wasn't sure whether or not to reward him or not, because he did.
He went for it.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
You want your crisps? What the hell, man?
Clap, 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 you dickhead. So that clapping made my hands sting, and they're stinging now.
It was quite a bit of a hard clap by the sound of
Whoa, why would you do that? He was looking the other way. He was looking like down the road instead of looking what was on his side of the road. He was looking down and then pulled out. I didn't know why. My hands hurt. Look, they're red.
Oh, baby. I think that's why we work. I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
You're weird and not normal and immature.
Yeah.
So I think that's why we work.
Talking about idiots.
Exactly. Santa!
Look at that beard. That is beautiful, isn't it? Oh, when I'm 90 years old, that's what I want. A massive grey, because it's already blonde, isn't it? So.
But it takes you about a year to get what you got now.
A massive, massive grey bushy beard, man. That'd be beautiful.
Well, you better start growing it now, then. There you go.
Oh,
Santa's car.
I look so sexy.
No, Santa was on a bike.
It wasn't Santa. Santa's not real. Wow.
There's always one in there. What's that? Which one? You tell me, use your words, I can give it to you. Hey?
Oh. I was waiting for someone to do that.
What?
Because that little Kia or the Hyundai, it's just going 5 miles an hour over the speed bumps, so everyone's overtaking it.
Fair enough.
I'll do the same. And should be back when I said what makes it nice. Is it just stopped at the lights? It hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But it was the car in front of that stopped at the
What an idiot. What an idiot.
Mom.
Well, it was a BMW. What do you expect? What do you expect, man?
What?
You know what? Just get out and kill yourself.
Well, that's not very nice.
Dirty bitch!
Well, it's not that dirty.
It's filthy, Alexi.
Not really.
It is.